What's up, everyone? We are hanging out outside today with the bugs and the birds and the dogs, and we are going to bleach dye some t-shirts, and we're going to show you how to do it. A couple months ago we went to Goodwill, picked up some shirts, mostly black or dark colored, and decided to bleach dye them. We're just now getting around to it, and we thought we'd show you how to do it. So here's a list of things that you're going to need. Number 1 is bleach. Number 2 is a spray bottle. Number 3, rubber bands. All of those can be found at your local Dollar Tree. Gloves as well. And then, of course, shirts. Got some sneak peeks of what's to come. Some Steelers, go Steelers. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna show you a couple different techniques, and more than anything, we're just gonna have some fun. There you go. Alright, so getting started, we've got our shirts laid out. We tried picking a selection of styles and materials to show you all the options that work. Most of these we picked up at Goodwill for just a couple bucks, and then a handful we just pulled right out of our closet. So you're going to want to go ahead and get those shirts nice and wet, rinse them off, wring them out. This helps the bleach move through the material a little easier, so you don't have to use quite as much.
So we're ready to start our first shirt. We got all our supplies here. We got our gloves. Make sure you have these. Bleach can be pretty dangerous. Spray bottle, 50% water, 50% bleach, maybe 60-40 bleach. But yeah, spray bottle. And rubber bands, colorful if you can find them, obviously. And we got this orange shirt here, and not sure how it's going to come out, but we're going to give it a shot, maybe do some swirls, get creative. So here we go.
hope you guys enjoyed our video. We did notice a couple things. The shirts that had a cotton and polyester blend didn't quite lighten as much. They kind of just got to like a light gray. So you don't get this kind of effect from it, but we're actually going to take it and tie-dye it with color dye and see how that turns out. And we'll probably do a video on that, so be sure to check that out. The cool thing about bleach dyeing is you really kind of just let it sit and see how light it gets and see how light you want it to be. We probably let all of these sit for about 30 minutes in the sun, and it worked really well. That's the cool thing about bleach dyeing versus tie dyeing. It's 30 minutes and you get to see the finished product, rather than tie dyeing. It's a whole almost 24 hours if you want the brighter colors. We will be selling these shirts, so we will provide a link in our description where you can do that. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button. Really helps us out. We appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.